In the next section of the module, you will be asked to make water treatment decisions using water quality forecasts. A forecast is a prediction of a future event with uncertainty. Including uncertainty is important because it is impossible to perfectly know the future in advance. More specifically, a water quality forecast is a future prediction of a water quality variable, such as water temperature, with uncertainty. Forecast uncertainty is the set of possible alternate future conditions predicted by a model and the chance of observing each outcome. We generate multiple different predictions of the future because the future is inherently unknown. Uncertainty generally increases as the time into the future increases. As an example, think of the weather forecast. If you are leaving on a trip and a 90% chance of rain is predicted for tomorrow, you are likely to bring waterproof shoes or maybe a raincoat. If a 90% chance of rain is predicted for a week from tomorrow, you are more likely to think, well, I'll take my chances. I'll wait and see whether the forecast changes as we get closer to that day. By making these decisions, you are inherently acknowledging that forecast uncertainty is greater the farther into the future we attempt to predict. Here is an example forecast for fall turnover in a drinking water reservoir. Let's examine how to interpret this forecast. The x-axis is the date that is being forecasted. So on this figure, today is October 13th, 2023, and the forecast is for about 2 weeks into the future. The y-axis is the percent chance of turnover. This is where the uncertainty is located. The higher the percent chance of turnover, the more likely turnover is to occur. We can see from this figure that turnover is very unlikely to occur tomorrow, but it's quite likely that turnover will occur by the end of October. A value of over 50% on the y-axis indicates that turnover is more likely to occur than to not occur.